Okay, odometer set mode. Again, as usual, make sure that the switch number 1 is in the on position, that is to the right, so that when we power the unit up, it goes into operating mode select menu. In this video we're going to look at the odometer set functionality, so we use button number 1 to select the required operating mode. In our case now, set odo, the set odometer function. We then use button number 2 to go into the set odometer function, and each digit in turn is going to flash. The odometer on this unit is currently set up to 211,000, which is kilometres, but it doesn't matter whether it's kilometres or miles, we use the same process. Each digit we can then change by pushing and releasing button number 1. So if we wanted to set it to some high value, say 5, then we use button number 2 to advance to the next digit, and we want to set that to a 2. We set button number 2 again to advance to the next digit, and let's leave that at 1. Next digit, 0. Next digit, let's change that to, I don't know, maybe a 4. And next digit, and set that to a 1. And the final time that we push button number 2, it asks us if we want to store the changed odometer reading. We use button number 1 now to toggle between the two options yes or no. And when it's displaying the required option, let's say no, we don't want to store it, then we push button number 2 again, and it tells us that it's cancelled the reading and gives us the option to go back into normal running mode. So let's push button number 2 to go back into normal running mode, and we see that it hasn't stored the change, it's retained that 211,000 value. So that is odometer set mode.